guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Happy Louis Vuitton Day guys, and you know what that means. I'm going to share to you the latest news and new bag collection from Louis Vuitton. I'm going to share to you all the information that you need to know, from names, product codes, prices, launch dates, and features. All you need to do is just kindly ready your phones and laptop to take a screenshot, and for pre-orders and availability, kindly check with your CAs and the website. So guys, I'm inviting you to watch until the end of our episode, and happy shopping! Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about lace, about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon over here. So please click on this so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 6,000 subbies. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account, that's at Ramiro52, for daily updates and styling tips coming from me.
Hi guys, I'm excited to share the new collection of LV. So first, let's discuss the ones that will be launching February 27th. First, we have the Cruiser toiletry bag. So we have more photos of this toiletry bag. That's why I'm sharing it here. So price is 1,100 euro. Materials monogram canvas with cowhide leather trims. As we can see, it comes with adjustable vachetta leather strap, and it comes with gold tone hardware. So next on the collection guys, so we have the Inside LV collection that will be launching February 27th. First, we have the zippy coin purse, price at $875 USD. So materials monogram canvas. So this is the interior, kind of detailed, and of course this is the back part, and it comes with gold tone hardware. And guys, are you seeing that the monogram has like the vintage design, just like with this next collection? So first, we have the Horizon AirPod case. So price of this one is 1,180 USD. A very cute and very chic AirPod case. I believe you could also put more than just an AirPod. Price is 1,180 USD. The material is monogram canvas with cowhide leather trims. So this is a bag charm or AirPod case shaped like a Lee Horizon bag. Then guys, we have some of the charms. We have the Vivian gummy bag charm. Price is 1,180 USD. The material is resin with gold hardware. So guys, as you can see, please take note that it comes in 3 different colors with 3 different SKU. We have the mini vert green, we have the rose pink, and then we have the medium raspberry red. Then of course guys, let us discuss this very beautiful dop kit, price at 1,500 euro or 1,890 USD. So this is the interior of the dop kit. Would be a reverse monogram canvas, and of course the main material is calfskin leather with cowhide leather trims. The colorway guys, by the way, is vanille. So this is the close-up view of the very beautiful calfskin leather. Next guys, we have a very chic all-in-one PM. Price is 2,500 euro or 3,150 USD. Material is empat leather with cowhide leather trims. Colorway is vanille. So this is the interior guys. It would be closed, or it can be closed via magnetic lock closure. It comes with adjustable shoulder strap. It comes with detachable bag tag, lock, and key set as well. And then we have the Métis belt, price at 1,230 USD. Same material, which is the empat leather, but the colorway is in the noir or black colorway with gold tone hardware, as we could see here. So what I love about this one, it comes with S-lock closure, and this is the chain that it comes with, the Louis Vuitton flower that is fully adjustable. Hi guys, thank you for watching today's episode. Just a quick shout out for today's sponsors. Guys, you can now custom order your Zumoni bag organizers, bag accessories such as pouches, dust bags, and many more. And best part is you can now get 20% discount using my discount or coupon code Ramiro5. What I love having a Zumoni bag organizer is I customize to the way I like it. I chose a base material, collar, I added interior pocket, zipper, D-ring, and I added a base shaper to keep the structure of my luxury bags. Head on over now guys to Zumoni.com and order and customize your very own bag accessories. Thank you to Zumoni.com for sponsoring this part of this video, and now back to our vlog. Thank you guys! Now let us discuss the collection that will be launching March 2026. First, we have the Gaston wearable wallet. Price is 1,550 euro or 2,040 USD. We have the SKU here. So the material is monogram canvas with the Tigerama cowhide leather trims. Of course, the colorway of this one is the very beautiful and summery tropical blue. It comes of course with detachable canvas strap. Then guys, this is going to be hot, so get it right away. We have the Pochette Mia. Price is 1,500 euro or 1,920 USD. So this is how it looks like when worn. So it is like a slouchy shoulder bag. As we can see here, my material is monogram canvas with cowhide leather trims. So as we can see, the strap is fully detachable. So I believe if you have longer chain, then perhaps you could wear this one as a crossbody bag. Then guys, we have the City Keeple. So this is from the monogram canvas Tigerama leather collection. So the colorway of this one would be the optic white. Price of this City Keeple is 2,470 USD. We have the SKU here. So as you can see, it comes with fully detachable canvas straps. So you could wear this one as a crossbody or even as a shoulder bag. Then it would also come with the dop kit. Price is 1,110 USD. Material is monogram canvas in optic white. It would come with Tigerama leather trims as well. So as you can see, this is the interior with black lining. Then of course, it would come with silver toned hardware. So this dop kit would be the classic design. It doesn't come with longer strap, so it just comes with the classic top handle. Then, if you are wanting a travel bag in this collection, we have the Keeple 45 bandolier, price at 3,350 USD. By the way, guys, this optic white monogram canvas collection would be launching March 5th, 2025. So check with your CAs right away. Price of this one is 3,350 USD. So same material. So next on the collection, we have the Horizon 55. So maybe with the Horizon 55, I love the white colorway, the optic white color, but I would just caution you guys because of course it is color white, then definitely it may be prone for color transfers or dirt. But if you are okay with that one and you really love a Horizon that is color white, then definitely get this right away. So next on the collection, we have an SLG. We have the pocket organizer. We do not have the SKU, but kindly take note of the SKU. So same material, monogram canvas with Tigerama leather trim. So this is the interior, and of course the same colorway, which is the optic white. So this is the back part, and of course, that is the zoom of the monogram, and then of course that is the back part of the SLG. Then we have the Avenue Sling Bag size PM. So we have the SKU here. So if you are wanting a crossbody or a bomb bag style, so definitely get the Avenue Sling Bag. So as you can see, this is the back part. It comes with adjustable sling bodies, canvas strap. It comes in silver hardware as well. So next on the collection, we have the Discovery backpack. So price kindly stand by, but please take note of the SKU. So very beautiful optic white colorway with the material of monogram canvas in combination of the Tigerama leather trim. So this is the interior. I believe it is made of fabric as well. So as you can see, it would also come with the fully adjustable backpack strap. So next on the collection, so guys, so just wanted to share the Nano Speedy from the Eden collection that will be launching March 6, 2025. Price of this one is 2,030 USD. So my materials monogram canvas colorway is Dune. It would come in with the spring flower print, cowhide leather trims, and as we can see here, it comes with detachable leather strap.
There, did you enjoy our episode for today? If you have stayed until this part of this vlog, kindly leave me a bag emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fan. There's a cute little icon over here. So please click on this so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 6,000 subbies. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account, that's @Ramir52, for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!